In this video, we'll show you how to view security alerts on Gmail from your PC with the latest updates. Keeping your account secure is crucial, and knowing how to access security alerts is an essential step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing in gmail.com. Once you're there, log in with your account credentials if you aren't already signed in. Next, look for the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. This icon represents settings. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This action will take you to a new page where you can manage your Gmail settings in detail. Once you're in the settings area, focus on the top menu and click on Accounts and Import. Here, you'll find various account options. Then, look for and click on Other Google Account Settings. This will redirect you to your Google Account Management page where security features are consolidated. After that, click on the Security tab in the left-hand menu. This section contains all the security settings for your Google account, including alerts, password management, and recovery options. Finally, scroll down until you see the option labeled Review Security Activity. Click on this to access any alerts or notifications regarding recent activity on your account. This area provides a detailed overview of any suspicious actions or security issues that may require your attention. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Gmail account remains secure. Don't forget to regularly check your security settings for peace of mind.